Electric potential difference. Suppose this is a charged particle. This charged particle will create a field surrounding to it, in which we bring another charge. If it is similar charge, that charge will be repelled. If it is opposite charge, that charge will be attracted. This is known as the electric field of this charge capital Q. In this electric field, this is the electric field. If we move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point A to another point B, whatever the work is done, that is known as the electric potential difference. So, electric potential difference is defined as the amount of work done to carrying a unit positive charge from one point to another in an electric field. In other words, the electric potential difference is defined as the difference in the electric potential of two charged bodies. Now, suppose we are moving a charge of Q coulomb from point A to point B and we are doing the work W. It means in moving a 1 coulomb charge, the work done will be W upon Q. This W upon Q is known as the potential difference, and symbol of the potential difference is also same as the potential, that is V equal to W upon Q. SI unit of potential difference. SI unit of the potential difference is same as the electric potential, that is volt. Define 1 volt. We know potential difference is written as W upon Q. V is the 1 volt. W equal to 1 joule. Q equal to 1 coulomb. So, in an electric field, if a charge of the 1 coulomb is moved from one point to another point such that the amount of work done is 1 joule, then potential difference between these 2 points is said to be 1 volt. So, the potential difference between 2 points is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done in moving a 1 coulomb of electric charge from one point to other point in the electric field. Why potential difference is required? Basically, for the flow of the water, we require the pressure difference. Water always flow from the high pressure to low pressure region. Similarly, positive charge always flow from the higher potential to lower potential. If this is the battery, this end is known as the positive of the battery, this end is known as the negative of the battery. Positive of the battery is always at the higher potential and negative of the battery is always at the lower potential. So, charged particle, that is the positive charge, will move from the higher potential to lower potential. In the animation you can see it, how the positive charge is moving from the high potential to the low potential end. Name a device that helps to maintain a potential difference across a conductor, that is a battery or cell. A battery of many cells or a single cell can maintain the potential difference. A battery generates this potential difference till the chemicals inside it are not completely spent. This is the symbol of the cell, this is the positive and this is the negative. And the combination of the cell is known as the battery. This is positive, negative, positive, negative.